This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Traci Greene. Almost 4 acres unrestricted and just 20 minutes to Knoxville, Sevierville or Jefferson City. Overlooking a farm with RV parking storage, workshop west/power, gazebo with power, and 2018 beautiful floor model 2052 square feet, 4-bedroom gorgeous financeable double wide on a permanent foundation. The seller has updated with wood accent walls, unique fireplace mantel and decor, updated kitchen and farmhouse table to stay for all your family cooked meals in ETN. Immaculate and private. Wildlife galore with Wet Creek. For more information, review the details below or contact Traci Greene at 865-584-4000.